Here's a demo of one of our AI-powered building code review tools, the NBC 2020 Plumbing Fixture Compliance Reviewer. Tired of manually calculating fixture counts or cross-referencing code tables? This tool automates the process, ensuring your designs meet National Building Code 2020 standards in seconds.
Let me walk you through. It's like having a code specialist in your pocket. First, you'll enter basic project details. The magic happens when you upload your floor plan PDF. The AI scans it to pinpoint washroom locations. Want to get fancy? Toss in custom notes like prioritize gender-neutral washrooms or attach local bylaws for hyper-specific compliance. Hit generate report and bam, you've got a clean breakdown of exactly how many toilets, sinks, and accessible fixtures you need, with NBC 2020 clauses cited for every requirement. See how quick the code compliance review report got generated? The process takes about a minute or two, depending on how big the files are. Spot a red flag? The chatbot can explain code nuances on the spot. If you have any questions about the code compliance report, you can ask the AI assistant. By the way, some tools like this one focus on specific sections of the NBC for maximum accuracy, while other tools consolidate all findings into a comprehensive summary report. Thank you, and have a great day.